Hello my beautiful people, and welcome abeg na which kind song we go play to dis gbedu wey dey play so. Abeg na which cinema we go call dis one wey dem Mide Martins, Damilare Peters and Shina Peters, all of them dey come dey inside so. Mide Martins don come outside no. He don come outside, he don come bring the long episode. I go read am to una. Na she write am out. People dey shout say why she no talk, wetin happen? Say wetin happen? She don go rehearse, now she don come outside come scatter the thing for ground. If una hear this episode, I go know say as some people go talk, they go say there is no fire without smoke, there is no smoke without fire. Now so e be my brother, my sister, Damilare Peters. Now dem come outside say they don't neglect her, saying papa, im papa neglect her. Shina Peters, im mama Fumi Martins wey don die, all im sisters wey dem dey, the sister wey dem dey, nobody dey take care of her. But Mide Martins don come outside though. She don come with the long list. Make I read the list before we start to dey talk dey go. Mide Martins come outside for her page. Now she begin to dey write. Make una no vex, na for English. Now she put on. She say, "Hello everyone. My name is Mide Martins. I would like to tell little part of my own side of the story." Hey, thank God. Finally, I want to say thank you to everyone who has contributed greatly to the ongoing issue, and also apologize sincerely to everyone that I might have hurt or disappointed in any way. I am deeply sorry from the depth of my heart. I didn't want to say anything about this all the while because I believe it's a family issue which should rather be settled amicably between ourselves rather than being dragged on social media. Anyone who knows me very well will know that I am a private person. I personally do not really like sharing or celebrating on social media some things relating to my family, like the annual remembrance ceremony of my late mother, Fumi Martins, which I duly observe every year in honor of our memory. When my mom, late Fumi Martins, passed away 19 years ago, my whole world was shattered, devastated, crumbled, broken, lonely without anyone's support. How I managed to survive through the storm is only by the special grace of God. Damilare was living with my grandma back then in Abeokuta, and I was doing all that I could to take care of him until a few years ago when she also passed on and Damilare was taken away to live with my uncle. I had requested custody of my brother Damilare several times even before grandma died, but was denied. Damilare is my blood brother. It is not possible for me to neglect him, but there is much more to this story than you all know, which I am sorry I will not go into details because it is a family matter. I am not a heartless person, despite the fact that I don't have it all. The little I have, I give wholeheartedly. However, I just want to ask for a favor. Can Damilare be finally released to me? Can I have my brother Damilare? I promise to take good care of him in my own little way. May God help me so. Thank you, everyone. God bless every family out there. Una don hear the tori o. Na Fumi Martins na im dey talk. Na im just finish o. He say he dey beg say make dem bring Damilare come in place, so say im go take care of Damilare. Abeg, na who she dey beg so? Everyone? Shina Peters don say im go take care of the pikin. Abi the video wey Shina Peters and Shina Peters do, abi that one sef na audio? That one na audio? Because when Shina Peters do that video with Damilare Ola, a lot of people dey say this one na audio, this one na this. So some people pray say make God help am this. If Sir Shina Peters wey be the papa of the pikin say he wan take care of the pikin to any level, which one be Mide Martins again to come dey beg everybody say make dem allow Damilare come stay in house, make him take care of Damilare with the little way him get. Shina Peters say he get plenty money, he don train millionaire, he don train billionaire. Yes, him talk am for the video wey him release. So let's leave it for the man wey don train millionaire and billionaire. At least this billionaire and millionaire dem fit still send some money, even if Shina Peters no dey sef, if he hand them over to these people say I think na me train you, millionaire billionaire, make una take care of Damilare if I die. Yes, so but my people, una see say Mide Martins as him come out so now he don come tell everybody, he apologize, say yes, she know say wetin she do e no good, as e be say he abandon Damilare, as e be say when everybody dey talk she no quick come outside, and he see say he don hurt people, he don disappoint people. Yes, na so the thing dey be, my brother, my sister, we go dey do something, we no know how tomorrow go be. That person wey they don neglect, you don big now, you don even forget. Now the thing don come become a social media affair. Shey na social media now na im go solve this matter, say who go collect Damilare, Sir Shina Peters abi Mide Martins? Who go collect Damilare? Abi who dey entitled to collect Damilare? As some people dey talk say e be like say Sir Shina Peters still dey doubt say na im pikin be that, and if you read in between the lines wetin Mide Martins dey talk, say why im want Damilare, that question still dey go back to Sir Shina Peters, say e be like say na audio video abi na audio support. Na that video wey him do, that thing e get some people how to forget how they talk am for Yoruba, they will say e get something for inside wey e no gree talk, because why the papa of the pikin go come outside, then na the big sister wey say na half sister or half brother im be to am come dey say he wan take care of her. Sir Shina Peters and Mide Martins, who get money pass to fit take care of this pikin, we dey ask. So my people, una don hear am loud and clear. Mide Martins dey cry now, say make dem release Damilare to am, make him for take care of am with the little wey God don give am. Say God go help am to fit take care of Damilare. My people, make una no forget to hit the red subscribe button as usual, and make una share this story. Mide Martins, he don open mouth, he don talk wetin happen, he don apologize to everybody. Alright now, me and dey move.
Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. Share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to this